things to it. I personalized some of this stuff, so I'll change some of these things out throughout next year. I'm sorry. This is old. Hey y'all, hey. I'm coming to show my new planner that I got. I just happened to look at it and I bought July 2023 to June 24th. I thought this started January 24th, but anyway, I'll still use it. I got it from Joann's for 50% off. And that's probably why it was 50% off. Anyway, so each month have colorful pages on the beginning of the month. So I will add some things to this and customize it. But I used to have, like, this year I had a regular planner and I was going back to Happy Planner for 2024. However, I didn't know I bought the 23-24 planner. So this starts 24 starts way back here. So I would have to buy the extension packet to carry it on to finish 2024. Anyway, thanks for watching.